Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dr. Wayne Dyer 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Here we are with part 93. And in part 93 here, he's saying that when we have the experience of blaming, okay, we feel like we need to blame somebody's at fault, that we should, instead of like going with that and just saying, yeah, I'm right, I should just blame this person or this thing or this circumstance or whatever, instead of just blaming all of a sudden, we should take it a little bit slower and instead say like a silent prayer or a thanks to the universe or your subconscious mind for giving you this lesson that we should learn to not blame. So noticing your blame is useful because now you can use it to not blame. Because you know that when you blame other people, you're now telling your subconscious mind to blame you. And that's not what you want. It is also putting the responsibility on those other people and those other circumstances to fix the problem. When instead you want that responsibility, because otherwise if you're depending on others, particularly ones you're blaming, so you have problems with those other people basically, then it's unlikely they're going to solve the problem for you. So instead, take responsibility for it and don't blame. Notice the thought, thank the universe for giving you the thought, and then try to let it fade away. And with time, you'll stop blaming, and you can cut it down more and more and more, as we've talked about previously. That's about it for part 93. I will see you guys next time with part 94, so stay tuned.